Hi guys, today I received this adjustable Torx kit driver set for reviewing purposes. When we open it, we find the proper screwdriver. As you can see, you can set it up by pulling this part. You set it up. In here we got the ridge. It is from 10 up to 16 inches pound. Okay, as you can see, you can set it up. You pull it. Select the torque. Let's leave it up in 20, okay? Right there, okay? We press it so it's locked. And we got different head bits. I'll be using this one, okay? It uses a hexagonal plug, and it comes with a magnet, so the plates are safe, okay? It has these anti-slip patches. They are really nice. And you just use like a regular screwdriver, and when it's up to the specific torque, it will start slipping and it will make a clicking sound, okay? So let's go ahead and test it. Okay, we have the Torx driver in here, and let's go ahead and test it, okay? You can see it stops from going up, and you hear that clicking sound, okay? That means it's up to spec, depending on what unit, okay? It doesn't go. Let's see another one. This is also ready. This is also ready. Okay, we turn it, let's see. There it is, okay? So it's really nice, really easy to use, really easy to set up, okay? Depending on what you need, you can get up to 60 inch pound, okay? Which I think it's really nice, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.